everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much to Medea for sponsoring today's video. They contacted me about their new portable AC unit with Wi-Fi, and it just seems like a really great product, and it was something we're actually really in need of right now. And I thought maybe you all would need something similar in your own homes too, because it's great for everyday life. However, actually we're really needing it right now because of the she shed build. So yesterday we just finished putting in the door and all of the windows. So the whole thing is completely closed up and the outside is pretty much done. And soon we're going to be starting on work on the inside of the she shed. And you know, once you have everything closed up, there's no more wind blowing through to kind of cool you off. You could put some fans in there, but why not throw an air conditioning unit in there that has super duper power and will be so much more nice for us when we're working. This actual unit is a Medea portable air conditioner with Wi-Fi, and it is the 8000 BTU system. So this one will actually cool down a room up to 100 square feet. So there's several things that I really am already impressed with it. And the first thing is that it came with everything. There's no need to go out and get extra supplies. It came with all the hoses, connectors, a remote control, which is so convenient, and even the batteries that go inside the remote control. So that just makes me happy. It's less that I have to worry about. I also really love that you can hook this up to not only your smartphone, but you can hook it up to Alexa too. So it's Bluetooth capable. You can connect it to those things and have access to your machine at any time. Alexa, turn on portable AC.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off portable AC.
Okay.
So I'm really excited about that because I can leave this out in our she shed, pull my phone up, turn the AC on, get it cooled down in there before we ever even head out there and need to actually work. So that's going to be such a huge help. So the cool thing about this machine too is that it's on wheels, so it is portable and it's really easy and not too heavy at all to really move around. We actually had our air conditioning unit get hit by lightning this summer, and it fried all of the electrical in our air conditioner and our furnace, so that all kind of had to get stripped and restarted, and we just kind of suffered through. Luckily, we have a 100-year-old home, and our home stays pretty cool. It was built for, you know, not to have an air conditioner in it. And so the main level of our home stays really cool and it's not really a problem. However, we have a second story where the kids' bedrooms are, and they have a bathroom up there as well. And I wish we would have had something like this that we could have put upstairs and very easily cooled down the whole upstairs area and kept them cool and comfortable. We just ended up doing like fans in the windows for cooling units, and they were fine, of course, but this would have been a much better option. So I love that we now have this for emergency situations like that. So the other really great thing about this Medea portable air conditioner is that it's a 3-in-1 system. It's not just an air conditioner. Of course it has that, so that's the main obviously great thing about it, but it also has a fan or a ventilation system on it. So if you don't even want to hook it up to your window, you can just turn the fan on and it has a lot of power. It blows 3 different settings. You can have it high, medium, or low. But not only that, it also has a dehumidifier on it. And like I said, we have an older home and we have an older basement, and there is quite a bit of moisture in the air down there. So I know this is going to get some use as a dehumidifier as well in the basement and in my woodworking shop that's down there. There is an easy to read digital LED control panel that provides exact control over your sleep settings, your timer. There's a fan, there is a mode for your temperature settings and power functions, and there's also an indicator light that lets you know when it's time to clean the filters. So there is even a filter in this which helps kind of collect the allergens in the air, dust particles, and that kind of thing. So it really is an amazing unit, and I've already really enjoyed just using the fan part of it. But we're going to take this out into the she shed now and get it installed so it's ready to go for when it's time to start finishing the inside.
Also provided are foam window seals, as well as a window lock for security purposes if you wish to permanently install this into one of your home's windows and rooms.
Thank you so very much again to Medea for sponsoring today's video. They are offering all of my viewers an exclusive discount code for 15% off of this AC unit. Make sure to check the link that I'll have in the description box below for that. I know we live here in the Midwest and we're actually under an excessive heat warning right now, so it is hot. We're in the middle of July, and an air conditioner unit, even an extra one on hand, doesn't hurt when it is this hot. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.